Alright, Peter, so what just happened?
My game glitched. I'm sad. Nigga, I have no... Wait. It's perfectly fine here? Glitch Central! The fuck? Perfectly fine. Hi, Quick Trigger. Glitch Central! I can't move on to my mission. Cause
It's a poor time.
Way.
It is a poor time.
I'm sad.
It's a poor time.
I'm sad.
Are you gonna be okay about this?
No. Because where's my last load? Fucking Megatown!
Yeah. I think this will be a good day.
I'm gonna save and see what happens.
Alright. Should I leave it after that?
No.
Okay. Goodbye.
The glitch left!